As a business owner in Washington, D.C., creating a comfortable and energy-efficient environment is crucial not only for your employees and clients but also for your bottom line. One of the most effective ways to improve both comfort and energy efficiency is through commercial window installation. Outdated or inefficient windows can contribute significantly to energy loss, increasing heating and cooling costs while diminishing the overall comfort of your commercial space. Replacing your windows with modern, energy-efficient options can provide a range of benefits that help reduce your energy bills and create a more comfortable environment for everyone inside. Here's how commercial window installation can make a significant difference for your business. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the most immediate benefits of replacing old windows in your commercial building. In Washington, D.C., where winters can be chilly and summers can bring intense heat, energy-efficient windows are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Older windows, especially those with single-pane glass or poor seals, allow air to leak in and out of your building, forcing your heating or cooling systems to work harder to maintain the desired temperature. New commercial windows, particularly those with double or triple pane glass, are designed to provide better insulation. The multiple layers of glass and the insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, between the panes significantly reduce heat transfer, preventing warm air from escaping in the winter and blocking heat from entering in the summer. This reduces the workload on your HVAC system, keeping your building at a comfortable temperature without relying heavily on air conditioning or heating. Lower energy bills. The energy-efficient properties of modern windows can lead to a significant reduction in energy consumption, which directly impacts your monthly utility bills. By preventing air leaks and improving insulation, commercial windows help reduce your business's reliance on heating and cooling systems, which are often responsible for the largest portion of energy expenses. In Washington, D.C., where temperature extremes are common, upgrading your windows can result in substantial savings on energy bills. Businesses that install high-performance windows can expect to see a reduction in both heating costs during the colder months and cooling costs during the summer, making it an investment that pays off over time. Enhanced comfort for employees and clients' comfort is key to productivity and customer satisfaction. If your employees are uncomfortable due to drafts, temperature fluctuations, or excessive glare from the sun, their productivity may be affected. Similarly, customers who visit your business may not have the best experience if the temperature inside is inconsistent or if they are exposed to too much sunlight. New windows can help mitigate these issues. Low emissivity glass coatings, which are commonly found in modern windows, help block out excessive heat and UV rays while allowing visible light to enter, providing natural daylight without the discomfort of glare. This not only keeps your employees comfortable but also creates a more welcoming environment for clients. Whether you're running an office, a retail store, or a restaurant, a comfortable space enhances the overall atmosphere and productivity. Noise reduction. If your business is located in a busy area of Washington, D.C., noise can be a constant disturbance, affecting both employee productivity and customer experience. Traffic, construction, or other urban noises can easily penetrate through old, poorly insulated windows, creating an unpleasant environment inside your building. Modern commercial windows, especially those with double or triple pane glass and laminated glass, are excellent at blocking external noise. The additional layers of glass and the insulating gas in between work together to absorb sound, making your business environment quieter and more conducive to work or customer interactions. This is particularly beneficial for businesses in high-traffic areas or those located near construction sites. UV protection and interior preservation. The sun's UV rays can cause damage to your interior furnishings, flooring, and artwork over time, leading to fading and deterioration. Commercial windows with low E coatings can help protect your interior spaces by blocking out harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to enter. This helps preserve the integrity of your furniture, carpets, and other interior elements, reducing the need for frequent replacements or maintenance. By protecting your assets from UV damage, you can maintain the aesthetic appeal of your space and save money on repairs or replacements in the long run. Increased property value and marketability. Upgrading to energy-efficient, modern windows can significantly increase the marketability and value of your commercial property. Potential tenants or buyers will be attracted to buildings that offer reduced energy costs and enhanced comfort. By investing in commercial window installation, you not only improve the quality of your space but also increase its appeal to future tenants or buyers, making it easier to lease or sell the property when the time comes. Energy-efficient windows are a highly desirable feature in today's real estate market, especially in Washington, D.C., where sustainability and energy savings are increasingly important. This upgrade can give your building a competitive edge and attract higher quality tenants or buyers. Aesthetic appeal and curb appeal. In addition to the functional benefits, new windows can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your commercial building. With a variety of styles, colors, and finishes to choose from, you can select windows that complement your business's design and architectural style. Modern windows can improve the exterior appearance of your building, increasing curb appeal and making it more inviting to potential customers, clients, or tenants. Whether you're updating a storefront or revamping a corporate office building, new windows can transform your commercial space and contribute to a positive first impression. Final thought. Commercial window installation is a smart investment for Washington, D.C. businesses looking to enhance comfort and reduce energy costs. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can improve insulation, lower utility bills, increase comfort for employees and customers, and even boost the marketability of your property. With a variety of window options available, you can tailor your selection to meet the specific needs of your business. If you're ready to enjoy a more comfortable, cost-effective, and appealing business environment, consider replacing your windows and reaping the long-term benefits of this smart investment.